So here's the robot repair shop. Bring your bots and droids down to the shop and we'll fix them or upgrade them according to your specifications. Factory resets, remove error messages, and generally make them more efficient, more compliant. You can also rebuild them for specific tasks, and we take commissions to make custom droids, bots, industrial mechs. The graphic here I stole out of Popular Science, the latest issue on intelligence. So this background is actually from a color TV. It's the energizing screen that's inside the picture tube. Yeah, that was not easy to acquire. And these are metal sheets from an old mimeograph. Something different. And of course the framework is just a giant microwave oven chassis. This table was a container that my wife gave me. It was for custom insoles. Strange packaging. So, there you go.